Today we're gonna make a green fluffy slime with Madeline. Hello. Okay, so there we have a jar, big bottle of glue.
Yeah,
we're not gonna use it all.
We're gonna use food coloring,
Green food coloring, and shaving cream, and as well activator.
and you could use borax or Tide. Mostly borax. It doesn't change the color.
Our contact solution. Okay, this my jar. It's kind of dirty. How we can stand my climb inside of that?
This is my first time doing my own video, so I'm pretty excited.
So there, I'm gonna open my glue.
Look at it. It looks so beautiful.
Hey, it's pretty big.
Yep.
Oh.
That looks too much, but it's perfect. It's not like we're gonna get $1 million.
So then now we're gonna add shaving cream.
What a beautiful sound.
You guys don't see so well. I know that.
We're sorry.
Hey. Wait a minute. A little bit more.
How much?
2 drops. We're gonna add 2 drops.
1, 2. There we go. And now we're gonna mix it.
Yeah.
And
We're gonna make turns. So I just want to show you what.
I'll hold it. I'll hold it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
That's so pretty.
It makes it pretty like a green.
It makes like my favorite color, mint green. Well,
Should
actually,
we
it's
add
purple.
2 drops?
Oh,
You can add 2 more drops. Oh, I will.
Okay.
You're taking the camera.
Yeah, I know. And we're not taking a camera. We're taking a phone.
Yeah.
It's not like other popular YouTubers.
But soon I'm gonna take a camera.
Yeah, soon.
Okay, look how fluffy it is. I don't want any shaving cream to stay in it, so I'm just gonna mix. Mix.
I won't drop it. I'm just moving it. Where
We don't see. Okay. Wait, move a little like that. Yes, now we see. Okay, let's add activator.
Ooh, my favorite part. Oh. Sorry, guys. Oh, wait.
Okay.
Hi.
Wait, you can put it there.
Wait, guys, you don't see actually. Now do you guys see? I hope so, guys. I really hope so. There you go. Now you guys can see, but no.